Alright guys, today I will be showing you how to remove the convertible top off any e46 convertible. Okay, so first you want to release the rear deck lid by hand so you can open it if your battery's not working or anything, or top's not working at all. And to do that, you will push this button right here in while turning this to the left simultaneously, and it will unlock the rear deck lid. Okay, after that there will be a little clip right here in the way. After you pop that off, you will stick that same pin in from earlier that you had and turn it to the left to release these latches right here to open them up. After that, you will have to remove the convertible rear deck lid, and I've already done that, but basically on these hinges right here, there's just 2 bolts in each one, and you have to unplug this wire, which is pretty easy. You push this in right here, push that in, and it comes out, and you should have the deck lid removed. Once you get done with all of that, you will have these bolts right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll have to unbolt those and take off this little C-clip that is connected to the hydraulics to take that apart. Okay, now you'll need a screwdriver and a ratchet with a 13mm to get these bolts off. I will speed up this part of the video and show you what to do. Okay, after that, you will want to remove these interior pieces. I've already taken one out, but you'll want to take this one out, top one, and the bottom one also, just get out of the way to give you more space to get to the wiring behind it. And if you're wondering why so much of this car is missing, it's because it got totaled in an accident and I am stripping it down. After you take the interior pieces out, you will want to remove this bolt right here, which is also a 13mm. Okay, all the bolts are removed. On the driver's side, there are 2 wires that will have to be undone. This one right here, which plugs in to this box, and this one right here, the one on the bottom, has to be undone. This one does not have to be done because it controls the latch for the convertible top hatch, so you can leave that because it, as you see, is not connected to the convertible top in any way. On the passenger side, you have the same procedure with 5 bolts that have to be done, and what's actually 6, because you have to undo this last bolt right here to get everything disconnected, and then you'll have to cut these zip ties connected to the convertible top frame and disconnect the wire from the locking actuator that locks everything, and disconnect the C-clip from this. Okay, after that you will want to disconnect the hydraulic lines, which are right here. You can also disconnect it from the convertible top frame if you don't want to have a big mess. Alright, so I have removed it, and when it's down, very little hydraulic fluid came out. As you can see, it's basically dry in there. But to remove this little spring piece clip right here, you'll get a flat screwdriver and stick it behind and just pull up really hard, and should disconnect them like that. There you go, convertible top is removed. Okay, now that you've taken out the convertible top, got out the car, I recommend getting a second person to help you get out of the car. I did by myself and it was really a pain, but here it is, collapsed. Actually pretty small. So if you have any questions or anything, just comment, and I will be doing future videos on stuff for E46s. Thank you.